On the 23rd of March 2025, in Washington County, Nashville, USA, a 2-year-old girl secretly dialed 911 to call for help against her own father. That small yet courageous phone call set off a tense night as officers were forced to confront a violent, intoxicated man who refused to cooperate. What began as a desperate, hidden plea for safety quickly escalated into a dangerous standoff inside the family's home.
Hey, how you doing? What's going on tonight?
My dad's husband?
Okay. All right. What's he doing?
I don't. Do you know Brandon Shapinsky?
Hmm.
You might want that though, because he's acting like a moron.
Okay. How you doing, man?
What you want?
Hey, come on, talk to me.
No, I don't need to.
All right. Well, what's going on tonight, man?
You called me?
I've been sitting there with you the whole time.
Why the are you out here?
Well, come on here and talk to me, man.
No, why the are you here?
Because somebody called.
Paisley, come
Here we go. Bye.
No. County 95 saying, get me another unit out here.
What you gonna do? You can't do shit. Get a warrant.
Come out here, man.
You wanna play?
Brandon, we're not
Let's play.
We're not doing that.
We're not
Wanna
doing
play?
that. Come out here and talk to me.
Move.
We're not doing
You wanna
that.
play?
I don't want to play anything.
Get a
We're
warrant.
not slamming the door. We're not doing this.
Who called you?
Don't ball your fist up at me, man.
Oh, I'm holding my thumb.
Okay.
You. If
Come
I
on.
were to ball my fist up at
Come out
you,
here and talk to me, man.
I'll push you on the ground.
You're not. That's not gonna happen,
You wanna bet?
man. I'm just trying to see what was. Someone was concerned. Somebody called.
Who?
It doesn't matter who.
Yep. Now who?
It doesn't matter.
Who called?
It doesn't matter, man. I just want to make sure everyone's safe.
Yep. Everybody's safe. Thanks for stopping
No,
out.
that's not how this is gonna work. How many people are in the house?
Step up here and threaten me one more time. Take one more step, and now you're threatening me, and I'm gonna put you in the ground.
All right. Here's what's gonna happen.
Here's what's
somebody
gonna
called 911. I'm here to make sure everything's all right.
Okay, everything.
I'm gonna talk to everybody in this house.
Yeah, everything's fine.
All right. I'm not.
If you hit my door one more time, I'm gonna put you in the goddamn dirt.
All right. You can step out of the way, and I can talk to the rest of the people in this house. That's what's gonna happen.
No, no, you can't.
You're not in charge of this.
You want to bet?
Yes, I do. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Or what?
Get your hands out of your pockets.
Why? Oh, I'm gonna hit you with a napkin.
I don't know what's in your pocket.
Oh, I don't own a gun. I don't have guns. I hate guns.
How many people are in this house? I need to talk to them, make sure everything's all right.
No, you don't need to talk to anybody.
That's not.
You don't need to talk to anybody in this house.
All right. How much have you
And
had
the
to drink
reason
tonight?
being, because no, everything's fine. Everything's copacetic.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking to talk to the rest of the people in this house.
You ain't gonna talk to my kids.
I am gonna talk to them.
No, you ain't. Who do you think you are?
Look, I don't know you and you don't know me.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I'm telling you.
I'm telling
you.
you.
ain't talking to my kids. How about that? And you know who the I am.
I don't know who you are. I've never met you a day in my
bullshit,
life.
because you
All right,
threw it over
you can come out here and talk to me is what can happen.
No, if I walk down these stairs, me and you are gonna wrestle.
That's not gonna happen. I'm telling you that right now.
No, because you're gonna try to put your hands on me.
Well,
And I'm gonna put you in the
I'm
fucking dirt.
concerned for both my safety and the safety of the rest of the people in this house.
I didn't touch nobody.
I didn't ask if you.
So get in your little patrol car and get the off my property.
That's not gonna happen.
You want to bet?
I told you what's gonna happen.
Because I just told you, get the
I don't
my
care
property.
what you told me. I'm here because
It's
somebody
a private
called.
drive. Get the out of here.
I don't care what it is.
Oh, you don't care.
Have you not realized that you're not in control of the situation?
I am in control.
You are not in control.
You want to bet?
So you can let me talk to the rest of the people.
No, you won't talk to my kids.
Man,
There you go.
you want to come talk to me? You are not going to stop her from talking to me. That's not going to happen.
If she wants to go around the other way, she can talk to you. If I come down these stairs, me and you are going to wrestle.
We are not going to wrestle. I
You
can
wanna
guarantee
bet?
you that. Why don't you just have a seat
For what?
so I can do my job?
Your job is done.
My job is not done.
Bye.
All right. Do not close that door.
You walk up these stairs and you come up one more, I'm going to take that as a threat. And
You
now I
can
got
say-
every
you-
right to put you in the ground.
That is not how this is. Do not. Do not.
Do not what?
Do not. Step away from me.
He continuously challenged the police, hurling threats and showing aggression right in front of those trying to keep the family safe. Fueled by alcohol, he believed he was in control, convinced that no one could touch him. But he had no idea that every word and every act of defiance was being recorded, each one only making things worse. As officers called in additional backup, the net began to tighten, and his arrogant confidence quickly turned into an inevitable downfall.
Step away from me.
You can't do shit to me in my house.
Get down the stairs now. Get down here.
You can't do nothing to me.
County 9510. One at Taser Point. Open the door! Open the door! Where's he at?
You can't do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here.
Get out.
Get over here. Get your hands. Get your hands up now. I am not doing this. Get your fucking hands up. Get your fucking hands up.
Stop.
Get your. We're past this. Get your fucking hands up. Get your hands up.
I'm being dead serious.
Turn around.
Stop.
Turn
Stop.
around.
Stop. I got a cane corso.
Get.
Stop. Stop. Gee.
Put away.
Get your fucking hands up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Turn around. Stop coming towards me.
I'm coming to talk to you.
Get your fucking hands up. Turn around.
You're not allowed in this house.
Turn around. Turn around. Get your hands behind your back. Now. Does that look like your back?
Yep. They're behind my head. They're behind me. Hey.
Do not move. Do you understand me? Get your other hand back here. I didn't tell you to move. Let's go.
Dude, hey, I'm being serious.
I don't care what you are. This was simple. What you had to do was you had to follow
No, what was
instructions.
simple is I shut my door and I told you I didn't need you.
I didn't care.
Hey, he walked in my house unlawful.
Do not move your hands. Do you understand me?
You get off your power trip real quick, bud. You
You
walked
need
in
to
my...
stop or you're getting ready to go back on the ground. Enough.
Patience always has its limits. When the taunts and resistance went too far, officers quickly drew their weapons to take control, forcing him to comply. In just a split second, he was taken down and handcuffed on the spot. From someone who thought himself untouchable, he was forced to face the harsh truth. Before the law and the authority of the police, no arrogance can last forever.
It would have been simple had you just sat down.
Get your hands off me, please. I haven't given him any kind of trouble.
Is that why you had to point a taser at you?
Oh, what? When he walked in my house unlawful?
We're here for a disturbance. So
let's
we
play
can't
that
walk in your
game.
house.
When he
Sit down.
walked, when I...
Sit down.
Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
Oh, my... You just slammed my mother... Who the...
Get in the seat.
Who the you think you are? You
Get in the
slammed my head off the wall.
If you'd sit down, you
Get-
could
No!
Get in the seat.
Get off me, and
Get in
I'll get in. Get your hands off me,
Get in the seat.
motherfucker.
He's got his hands off you. You said you were going to get in. Get in.
I am. Shut up.
You got about 3 seconds before we
Or
put hands
what?
back
Or
on you.
what?
I'm going to put hands back on you and make you get in
Oh,
the seat.
yeah?
Sit down.
I'm in. Get your... You a big motherfucker, aren't you, when tough on someone's back?
How you been?
How you been, big guy?
All right. How's it going? He's like that all the time when he drinks.
Yeah.
Man.
I imagine you would
yeah.
know.
Yeah, I know him too well.
He called. The kid called.
The kid called, yeah. Okay.
That's fine. I'm fine. Charges.
Tina, you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not upset that he's going. I'm very grateful. But he's gonna get released and come right back, so it's gonna do us no good. He just holes in our walls. Cause look at all these fireballs and shit. And finally, because he keeps yelling at my daughter, And so finally I said, next time he raises his voice, I would just take it to your room and call 911 so he doesn't know that I did it, because I can't get by myself long enough just to get him to go, because I can't stand the verbal abuse and him breaking everything every time I blink.
Yeah.
We have one son together, but I have 4 other children, and my children are biracial. Those 4. And I'm so tired of all the time recently hearing Nick this and Nick that, and because I went and I didn't ask him for permission to buy that Jeep 2.5, 3 years ago. I have to hear about that all the time, and I bought a truck, or got a loan, and for my oldest son for his truck, and like he's in here trying to slamming everything and going on and carrying on because I bought or he thinks I only co-signed, but co-signed him in truck. And what if he wants something? I should be able to co-sign for him.
All right. Well, what did he break? What did he break tonight?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
Just slamming everything around. See, it's getting ready to. You see, this is how he fixes holes when he scotch tapes them and shit. I can't even use my stove because he flung shit across the kitchen a couple weeks ago and shattered the glass of the stove.
Okay.
All right. The most we're gonna, she's right. The most we're gonna be able to take him for is resisting. And then he's just gonna get out.
Yeah.
The woman poured out everything she had been holding back to the police. She spoke of the constant verbal abuse, the household items smashed in anger, and the fear that gripped her children whenever the man came home drunk. In a voice tinged with exhaustion and despair, she admitted that she had taught her daughter to dial 911 when there was no other way out. That night, she stayed silent no longer. The truth was finally laid bare before the authorities.
You're a little bitch-ass dog, I guarantee it. And I will press charges on this motherfucker. Oh, I hope they let you out, because I'll let my fucking dog out on you too. And my dog is gonna fucking kill you. Trust me. They can't do shit to me. I didn't do anything fucking wrong. Here he goes. Yep. Let me go. Nope. I'm done. You ain't gonna want this fucking lawsuit. Because y'all gonna get a lawsuit. Trust me. Slam my fucking face. Walked in my house with no warrant. Threatened to tase me. Let's see how that shit holds up in court.
He sat in the back of the police car, reeking of alcohol, mumbling constant challenges and complaints. He insisted he had been treated unfairly, claiming the officers entered his home without a warrant and even threatened to sue to get justice. In his drunken haze, he clung to the illusion of innocence, never realizing that his own violence and defiance were the very reasons that led him to this inevitable downfall.
I feel like I can be out here when he's not here, because when he's not here and I'm out here, I can just like sit here and chill with my mom and everyone else, and I'm fine. But when he's here, I feel like I can't do that because he either pesters me or bothers me or yells at me for something. So I kind of just stay in my room the entire time.
Okay. So what do you want done? What do you want to happen here?
I want to know how I can get him just to be out of here for good.
Okay. Has anybody talked to you about getting it like an emergency restraining order protection or anything? Okay.
I don't even know anything about those.
Okay. So what I'm going to recommend is go up to the Washington County Courthouse in Nashville, okay? Go meet with usually the circuit clerk or somebody. They have an advocate there who can help you get the papers filed. But essentially you fill out the form, it goes to the judge, and you tell the judge, hey, this is why, this is what's going on. You tell him the history.
I was praying to God at the beginning of this month they were going to keep him when he went to court. But they just gave him another court date and extended it all the way up to June.
Hey. All right, boss, I'm going to slide out.
You good? All these guys for me? Shit!
The man was finally escorted back to the police station, the handcuffs still dug tightly into his wrists as he staggered forward under the strict watch of the officers. His shouts and complaints slowly faded into the night, replaced by the heavy silence inside the patrol car. The road back to the station not only closed the chapter on a chaotic night, but also marked the beginning of days where he would have to face the law and the consequences that could no longer be avoided.